What's going on, everybody? Let's talk about the hottest meme coin right now on the Solana chain. That's right, Bonk. Now, are we about to see another big push? It looks like it's trying to break out, and there is some pretty interesting news that could drive Bonk even higher than it's been. Now, if you're interested in all of that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We cover cryptocurrency every day right here on the 2Bit Crypto channel. And if you're holding Bonk and you want to see a massive rally, smash that like button and let's get into exactly what is going on with Bonk right now. So here we go, 2274. It's actually bucking the trend of the rest of the cryptocurrency market, up about 4%. The actual global market down in volume about 4%. The overall market cap 1.57, down about 1.4. We're seeing what's going to happen in the next few hours as markets start to reopen, potentially for another big week. However, $1.3 billion is where Bonk sits. Now, this has driven the Solana ecosystem. People have made a ton of money, but the point here is it is not stopping. We actually are seeing massive amounts of inflow into Bonk, namely about $175,000 being bought just in the last 24 hours by one single transaction. Absolutely insane. With this kind of level of volume, big people are buying. What does that tell us? Well, there might be some more potential upside to come for Bonk. Now, what's going on then? How and why should we be bullish on these? Well, they've had a couple of very smart ideas, namely the Bonkmas. Now, what they've done here, the 12 days of Bonkmas, you kind of go across here and see exactly what they're doing. Ultimately, they're offering more tokens, they're offering kind of airdrops, they're offering information in terms of what's coming on. It's a very smart way of engaging with the community and driving a kind of ambition around what's coming. I think very, very interesting. Now, it doesn't stop there though, because they are offering the 12 days and the build up to Christmas by announcing listings, pairings, and what's very smart here, all of which are listed on the Solana ecosystem. So like I said before with Bonk, this isn't just about a meme coin. This is a movement for the Solana blockchain. Now, we've been talking about Solana on this channel since it was $8. We were buying it as much as we can. And I mean, look at the price of Solana right now, absolutely sending nearly $75. So everyone that bought in, that was part of my live streams, part of my channels, we are eating well, but I don't think it stops there. I still think Solana's got a lot to go, and I still think Bonk is exactly the same. So on the 6th day of Bonkmas, my true dog gave to me exchange art. And again, you can see here, this is a Solana network based digital art marketplace that they have again listed on there. You keep coming through this. We have a ton more stuff as they start to come through once again in terms of these big partnerships. So we see there, look, explore digital art universe exchange with exchange.art, or again, on the Solana ecosystem. And once again, we see these partnerships building out and they're doing things right, and it's driving volume to Solana. What does that do? It drives volume to Bonk, and they just continue to build out with it, namely another big listing on Solana Pay. Now, ultimately, this is basically a Shopify where you can go and get some of the Bonk merch. Once again, though, a Solana ecosystem merchant, so they can go and buy, you can buy all your kind of favorite Bonk merchandise on that site. Once again, they're keeping you locked in to the Solana ecosystem. And I think that's why Bonk is truly finding this big movement, because of what they're doing. So it's actually gaining momentum as the Solana ecosystem starts to build out. Furthermore, Solana Mobile. Now, what's really interesting with the Solana Mobile is they are sold out. I'm even hearing stories of people offering $5,000 for a single phone. Why? Because each Solana phone comes with 30 million Bonk. Now, it's about $800 there or thereabouts. You actually make money on the Solana phones, but more importantly, you've got 30 million Solana that a lot of people are expecting to see some significant price movement once again, and we aren't even in a bull market. Now, what are the experts saying? Well, a lot of people are expecting a big push once again on Solana. It says the coin value soared by an astonishing 818%, topping out of that 3.8 range. Now, what does that mean? Well, if we see some downward pressure, we could continue down about 18%. Be mindful, whatever goes up, the quicker it goes up, it does come down as well, just as aggressive. But we're looking for that. A rebound from the support level of that 1.8 range could indicate a big push back towards the 3.5. So be mindful of that. So what's going on with the price right now? We can see there the rest of the market in absolute dire straits right now. Bitcoin down about 1.8%. Even things like Casper 10% on Shiba Inu after that kind of botched burn that we see. Bonk is up 5.5 and is absolutely rallying on the 4-hour chart. We have some good indicators on the volume profile index as well. If we go in a little bit further onto the hourly chart, you can start to see exactly where we're getting this momentum on Bonk, and we could see this start to push once again. We just flipped over that volume profile index. You can't really see it on this chart. It is this green line here just in the middle, and as that comes over, we are just starting to flip. Now, big sell-off that came in, but other than that, Bonk was on the move. So expect and anticipate, once again, a big push back up into those threes. Could be coming very, very soon. All the headwinds do seem to have gone, and everything is looking exciting for Bonk. Lots of people covering it, lots of people talking about it, and you can see here on the Oscillator Pro, absolutely in a big momentum upwards right now. So we'll keep an eye on Solana. If you want to know more, make sure you smash a like on this video. We'll be covering Solana and the Bonk ecosystem much more. All you have to do, subscribe to the channel, turn your notification bell on, and be here every day for our latest updates in the cryptocurrency space. As ever though, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye bye.